Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and this is the first dedicated Steve WB video I've made in about forever and a day. So I was going to let this channel die for the sake of my family channel, and that's the one I was going to put all the effort into because it's at like 26,000 subs and hit a good growth spurt. But I need a vent, I need an outlet, I need some place I can just be whimsical and be myself and not be formal, give real opinions. Not that I haven't given real opinions before, but you'll see what I'm talking about. You know, kind of remove the filter is what I'm trying to say. But right now I'm recording on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and it is in pure video mode. And I just wanted to do a quick test of the low light. And you can see how dark it is down that way. I'm facing a spotlight right now, that's why my face looks good. But we're just gonna kind of walk the block a little bit and go into this really dark area and see how the camera does. Now, this camera is not getting a lot of love, it seems, with the reviews. But I bought it for low light for recording robot fights, and it's doing a very good job of that so far. Now I'm in total darkness. As you can see when I spin around, it's super dark. But, and I'm recording with the cheapest microphone ever, just plug straight into the USB-C, no adapter whatsoever. And probably the best mic for the Ace Pro 2 that there is. I'm gonna go ahead and walk out here in the cul-de-sac and start walking back. But, how does this look? Do you guys want to see more candid and more unfiltered reviews of action cameras and such? You know, non-shill versions and non-sponsored and non-provided for review, and you know, maybe some different testing and things like that. Just let me know in the comments below what you think about things getting a little loose and a lot different. Also, let me know what you think of the video footage from this camera in pure video mode. Let me know what you want to know about this camera and what tests you would like to see. And I will do my best to try to put those videos out for you and provide footage. So, for now we're going to leave it at that. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.